Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami daripada kelas DKA 3B ingin bercakap tentang final assignment untuk matematik. Okey. Tajuk kami ialah time spent on social media per day. First thing first, my name is Muhammad Alif Haikal Muhammad Fitri, and my friend name is Muhammad Afif bin Muhammad Zamri, and Azhar Sahir bin Isharuddin, and Sofia Khalidah binti Abu Bakar. For the first is acknowledge. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Madam Hashimah binti Hashim, my Madam Math, and my mathematics teacher for their invaluable and encouragement and support throughout this project. Dia is the insightful teaching and passion for mathematics have inspired me to explore and understand complex concepts with confidence. I'm also thankful to my family and friends who have continuously support me during this project. Their passion and encouragement kept me motivated and focused. Lastly, I extend my appreciation to everyone who provide resources and knowledge, enabling me to complete this project successfully. Thank you for making this learning experience enriching and enjoyable. Right. For the first introduction, with the social media, communication in today's world has reaches a billion of people through diversified platform. Social media has transformed from a means to interact online and share information to a vibrant platform that has already impact and is continuing to influences most aspect of daily living. Personal relationship, personal networking, entertainment, news consumption, and even education. National platform including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn offer user the ability to share ideas, follow friends, and engage in real time with a global community across geographical boundaries. Social media has a far greater influence than individual use. It has a revolution how business carry out marketing, news is report, political campaign are run, and culture are created. By posting content on social media, companies are able to reach a big market, personal brand, and can establish it and foster by individual themselves. And the people have become capable of impressing themselves in various ways. This bring a number to challenge in areas such as privacy and mental health to the spread of misinformation. With an understanding of what social media is for and its respective positive and negative contribution, individual and organization can maximize the potential of social media responsibly to create a more informed and active society. As a social media continues to evolve, it will continue to be an increasingly dominant factor in shaping the future of both human contact and information exchange. Yes. So the next slide is objective. This is a survey tries to understand quantitatively how much time people spend on social media each day and get an idea about the overall engagement. This would further help in finding the use pattern. What time of the day, and how often user are online, and also to learn to use preference to find out which social media website get the most attention. The questionnaire also tries to measure the consequence of using social network site in life, like impact on productivity, relationship, and well-being. We tried to analyze self-regulation practice by investigating the degree to which a user uh, impose personal constraint on use, and the effectiveness thereof. So another important objective is to find out the behavioral patterns such as scrolling behavior and how it switches from active engagement into passive consumption. It also assess the user's awareness of time spent on site and whether whether they think this as exclusive. Secondly, we are going to check the correlation between time waste on social media and users' mental health or emotional condition. The demographic data will also be collect to help in comparing the difference in the user pattern of social media across group. This survey will finally provide base data on successive studies on the use of social media. Comparison could thus be drawn later and emerging trends scrutinized. Alright, that's all for me. I go to the 3.0.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azhar Sahil bin Mutadin. I will continue. First of all, we gonna calculate using the Excel. Here we calculate. This is the bar chart for the student that is answer this question. We have 8 students from DKN and 14 students from DKA, 10 students from DKP, 11 students from DKQ, and 9 students from DKI. Next, if this is the pie chart. This is pie chart for the student also. Okay, let's continue to the OGIF. Okay, this is the chart title. To make this chart title, we is using the upper boundary and cumulative frequency. So if you look here, the upper boundary is 1.5, 2.25, 4.5, and 5.5. And the cumulative frequency 11, 22, 35, and 53. Okay, so we just put this into Excel and it will automatically generate the chart title. And the histogram. In the histogram, we use the hours and the frequency. So for 0 to 1 hours, we have 11. 1 to 2 hours, we also have 11 people that answer it. And 2 to 4, 13 people. And 4 to more is 17. So the total is 52. And same like the OGIF, we put it into Excel and it's automatically generate. Here are the table of the measurement. Here is the hours 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 5. The frequency is 11, 11, 13, 17, and the total is 52. So the midpoint, how we get the midpoint is this one we minus by 0.5. Same like 1 to 2. So the midpoint is 1.5. The here 1.5 and 3 and it's continuous. The fx is 5.5.3. Come on, and then the cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency same like frequency, but we just plus the frequency after that. Like 11 plus 11 we get 22. 22 plus 13, 35. 35 plus 17, 53. And then the lower bracket, just this 0, just minus 0.5. Upper bracket, just plus 0.5. And then how to get this x as to get this, just fx just use just mine to get fx, just 0.25 times 5.5. Same like this. Yeah, it will continue, and the total for fx square is 488.75. Next, I'm gonna pass to the Sophia. And
Okay. So this is our mean we calculate. So to the formula to calculate mean is total of fx divides the total of x. So we take from the table, the number is the number is for fs is we calculate the total is 137.5 divide the 52. So equal is we got for the mean is 2.644. So that for the total for the mean. So we calculate we calculate for median. So for the median calculation, we got for the formula is total of fx equal divide the total f minus the total of fx divides total f equal. So the number is we got for fx equal 488.75 divide the 52 and we minus the 137.5 divide the 27 equal to. So we got the equation is 6.75. So other calculation we do is for the mode. So the formula for the mode is L plus 1 divide 1 plus U. So and time C. For the L means lower boundary. So we got the 7.5 plus 1 divide 1 plus U is the upper boundary. So we take 5.5 times 1. So we got the equation is 3.65. And we also calculate the variance. So the formula variance is a total of fx divide. First we must find mean. So is first we total fx divide total f. So we got at the same time the mean. It's at same answer mean. So we got 2.744. So for the variance, we must do total of fx equal divide total of x minus the total of fx for the mean. Then we got the mean equal, so we got the 2.407. And then lastly, we calculate the standard deviation. The apa ni? The square root. The formula is square root. Total of fx equal divide the total f minus the mean. It mean square. So we just square root 488 0.75 divide the 52 minus of mean square. It give answer is 1.7 1.55. So that's my explanation for my calculation. So I will give to Hafiz to continue my presentation.
Next is 5.0 is conclusion. This particular study focused on the average time daily spent by user on social media sites and be likely implication on productivity, relationship and mental health. Social media is widely present in our life and our result show that it's become a part of daily habits with slight variation from demography and individual factor. By integrating data using statistical element characteristic and graphical element data parts like bar graph, pie charts, and frequency histogram, we attain understanding of how time pattern using social network sites relate to emotion and the mental state of user. The study also emphatically state that there is no shortage of contrary views regarding the use of social media. Very good reason such as the negative effect caused by misuse of social media. It may be safely conclude the rather than working as additive layer to more commonplace process, social media should be treated as a process in and of itself. While it may bring various benefits, there are clearly some negative aspects to be taken into consideration as well. Next, 6.0. Reference. Daily time spent on social media. This pie chart represents the amount of time users spend on social media each day. The largest portion, 32.7% of respondents spend more than 4 hours on social media daily. This is followed by 25% who use social media for 2 to 4 hours, while 21.2% spend 1 to 2 hours, and another 21.2% less than 1 hour. Next department, the second chart shows the demographic distribution of the respondent. We see that the group DKA is the largest at 26.9%, followed at DKQ at 21.2%, DKN at 19.2%, DKP at 17.3%, and DKI at 15.4%. Next, daily break from social media. The third chart illustrates how long user
go without using social media in a day. It showed that 44.2% take breaks of 2 to 3 hours, while 36.5% spend less than 1 hour of social media. A smaller portion, 15.4%, takes break of 4 to 5 hours, and only 3.8% avoid social media altogether. We hope, Madam, that you would consider awarding our group the highest marks for this presentation. We have all put in our best effort to present the finding clearly and comprehensive. Thank you for your attention and support. Thanks all for my group.